Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. BiracialBeauty here if you are new to my channel. So I am coming to you guys with a makeup tutorial because I feel like I haven't done one in forever, which is a lie. But anyway, though, I gotta put a little bit of primer on my face, like that much, because I had put on some foundation and like in this area right here, and I accidentally had wiped it off. So yeah. So anyways though, how you guys doing? I've been lazy, like damn it. I just need to get out that funk, you know. So yeah. So anyways though, I'm going to be using one of my new palettes, you guys, that I just recently hauled. If you guys haven't seen that haul, then go ahead and check it out. This right here is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. So yes. And I'll show you guys the colors if you guys have not checked out that video yet. So yeah, here are the colors right here. I don't know what look I'm going for. You guys know I just roll with it, honey. I just use like whatever I mean, I don't know. Y'all know I create my own looks and stuff, whatever. So yeah. But yeah, we're gonna see. So like I said, my face already washed and primed and everything like that, and I have on a lip gloss. Well, I have on a Buxom lip plumper. I like to prep my lips. So yeah. So anyways, though, I am debating on which foundation I want to use. I don't know if I want to use the Matte Plus Poreless by Fit Me or the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. And I have some foundation under my nail, honey. We can't have that. We cannot have that. Foundation under my dang nail. Anyways, okay. So I don't know which one I want to use. This right here looks like a little bit too dark. I might go with the Fit Me because that's my holy grail. Y'all know I always rave about this foundation, and mine is in number 330 Toffee Caramel, and I'm going to be using a Real Techniques sponge, and I'm going to be using another little bitty medium one for setting my concealer. So let me go ahead and wash this. I am in my master bathroom, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this little sponge. So yeah, now I need to dry my hands off. I'll dry my hand off. So y'all. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this party started, honey. Okay, so when we're using the Matte Plus Poreless, I was going to try it out, and put on another. Is there anything in here? There you go. I thought it was empty because I have like so many of these, you guys. That's how much I love this foundation. Okay, so we're going to go like that. Okay, so now we're gonna blend that out with this Real Techniques sponge. To make sure I get up here by my edges, cause y'all, sometimes I know, like in certain videos, like my old videos or whatever, I didn't blend out my foundation, and I was like, oh my god, like I got a mask on. We're not gonna be looking masky today, honey. Can't do it, won't do it. Oh, like something in my eye. It's like every time I put on some makeup, it's like something got to get in my eye. I'm definitely gonna have to put on some more because you guys still can see my acne scars and my blemishes or whatever you want to call it. So let me get some more foundation. So like I don't want to come out. Come on, dang it. I think this here is almost empty. I need to throw this in the trash. I wouldn't have known that I would have been throwing it in the trash. Like, look how much coming out. Y'all know I like a full coverage. And I don't like to look cakey neither, so. Y'all probably like, girl, that's too much foundation. And girl, I know, girl, but honey, your sister gotta have this full coverage on it, cause ooh. Like I said, I hate my acne scars. I'm gonna bring that down. I'm gonna bring it down. I should have bought my other mirror in here, but I'm using, y'all know I'll be recording on my phone. So that's what I'm using. Like, I'm not using a mirror at all. I'm like looking like directly at my phone. At this, y'all get what I'm saying, so no need to explain. Just need to make sure that I blend this out really well. Especially, like I said, on my hairline. Bring it down, like I said. I finally went and got my brows done. Even though I need to let them like grow back out again so I can have them look like more fuller or whatever, because when I do my brows myself, I go like a little overboard. I do get them professionally done at the nail shop that I get my nails done at. I'm well known there, honey. I'm well known there, y'all, so much they gave me a nickname. I think they say Nata, something like that. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell it means. They said they watched some movie, whatever, and whatever lady on the movie, I remind them of the lady or whatever. So, hey, I just roll with it. Hopefully it doesn't mean anything bad. I don't know. But anyways, whatever it is, what it is. So, yeah. And I think that Wacom that, it was like I showed them like mad respects and everything, because like some people could be like so rude to them and stuff and everything. And me, hey, I'm just not going to nail shop, honey. I just wait back and chill. There could be like 40 some people in there, and I'm not gonna be complaining like, oh my God, y'all need to hurry up. How long is it gonna be or whatever. I don't never complain or anything. And so they know that, you know, that I don't mind waiting or whatever. It really depends. Like if I like have like if I have like it like something to do, then I will come back like the next day or something, or maybe like the next following weekend. But other than that, I'm cool, you know, with like waiting and stuff and everything. Cause like they be having people down there be talking mad crap or whatever. Yeah, y'all, I'm trying to stop cussing in my videos. Yeah, they be talking like mad crap to them and stuff. I be like, big people is crazy. But I mean, hey, you respect somebody, respect people, you get respect back in return, you know. So anyways, okay, now I have on my foundation. I am going to, let's like go ahead and do my brow. Not like do my brows last, but I'm going to go ahead and get my mascaras out. Y'all know I use about 3 or 4 of them, honey. Can't help myself. Y'all know I don't do lashes. I'm trying to see which one of these I got this Trinity. Let's see, y'all. But yellow, I should have been had everything out. Y'all know I'm something else. Okay, anyways though. But yeah, like I said, some folks these days, y'all just crazy. But anyways, so I'm gonna do my concealer. That's what I'm gonna do. So y'all already know the Holy Grail. I need to get another one. I've been saying it for the longest. Should have been got one, but I haven't. So it's gonna pump some right here on the back of my hand. 2 pumps. I need to find the brush that I put my my concealer on. It's just a brush. This brush right here come from Amazon. My niece ordered me a brush set from Amazon. Probably about 2 years ago. So yeah. And those are pretty good brushes though. I see like the same set on Wish. Was it Wish or AliExpress? One of them. So yeah. I like ordering stuff from Wish, but at AliExpress, but I refuse to order makeup. Cause y'all guys know that stuff is coming like from China. No offense, but ain't no telling what the hell they put in their makeup. I be damn. I mean, no, I will buy cell phone cases. I will buy cell phone screens, screen protectors. I will buy anything else besides makeup. No, I won't even buy lip products, honey. Hell to the no. Anyways, that's why we stopped cussing. So God forgive me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put blend this out. You guys, I'll be right back because I'm already at 12 minutes. Okay, so now that I have that, oh my God, I'm hurting right now because I just thumped my damn toes. See, see, I'm trying to stop cussing y'all, but y'all forgive me. It slipped out again. I just thumped my toe in this chair. Oh my God, and my toe is throbbing. It's throbbing, like, I hit it too hard. Anyways, though, I'm going to, did I bring my setting powder? Let me get my setting powder. So I just set my under eyes. And y'all know that y'all already know about the Holy Grail. If you guys are new to my channel, oh my God. Stuff is falling over, dang. So anyway, y'all already know the Holy Grail, honey. The Airspun loose powder. And I freaking love this stuff. Like, love. I have 2 of these. So what I'm going to do, like I always do, I really don't use this. I can use a brush. But, okay, let's see. I might use the brush. I don't know. I'm not going to use the brush. I'm just going to use this thing right here. So what I do, I get it and yeah, I'm looking a little crazy, but who cares? So I just put it wherever I have the foundation. I mean, the dang, the concealer, good Lord, I can't get it out today. So yeah, we look a little crazy. Who cares? Who cares? So I don't. But anyways, we'll get another. I just got stuff everywhere. Lord. So I'm using these Bolero coconut water facial wipes for hand wipes because I don't have any baby wipes. And this dang stuff is getting all over my nails. Oh my gracious. Thank God for shellac nails because it won't change my nails colors. Because like if I had like a regular nail polish other than shellac, y'all, my nails will be the color of my foundation. So yeah. Anyways, while we letting that right there sit, I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyeshadow primer. The eyeshadow primer that I'm going to be using is going to be, where did I put it? Okay, here it is. I'm going to be using the Morphe, oh my gosh, it's on my shirt. The Morphe eyelid primer in translucent that looks like this. Now I need to find a freaking brush that I want to. I'm still gonna use this brush right here, I guess. It's not for that, but I want to put some on the back of my hand. About that, that should be good enough for both eyes, I guess. 16 minutes, Lord. Let me get this on, I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have on that, I need to go ahead and put on some eyeshadow. So yeah, again, I'm using the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. Like I said before, I don't know what colors I'm going for. I'm just gonna so yeah. So y'all already know the Holy Grail, the Morphe M441. I love this brush here because it blends out my eye colors so freaking perfect. So the y'all get what I'm saying. Transition color, I think. I'm trying to see what color I want to use as a transition color in this palette. I might go with Savage. I think either Savage or the OG. Either this one or this one. I don't know. I might go with the OG. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the OG. Ooh. Should have bought my big mirror in here. I want to use this mirror from the Smack Compact. So yeah. Also gonna swirl it in as well. It makes it blend out so perfectly. Other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so got those on my eyes, with that color on my eyes. Now I'm going to be going in with oh my Lord. Let's see. Put this back on here so I can see these colors. What the name of the colors? I'm going to be going into Smolder. Smolder is right here. It's like this brown type of shade. So let me get my brushes and see which one I want to use. I need a brush to gonna pick up some. I'm gonna pick up some products. So I'm gonna use this NYX. Oh my god. Anyways, so I'm gonna go into Smolder. I'm gonna put Smolder. I wanna blend it out. Like here, in this area, like swirl it on like so. Yes, it's gonna go over the OG as well. Not all the way over, but just like right over here in this area. See? I'm gonna bring it in just a little bit. And whatever we have, like, to clean up, we will do that last. So, yeah. Same thing over here. Swirl it in. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so now the next color, the next color I'm going to be going into is, I'm going to be putting a warning label, which is right here. So I'm going to put a warning label like all over the lid. It's a beautiful color. I'm at 21 minutes. Yeah, my brush hold it good. So we're going to get, what I say it was, warning label. Good grief. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that color. That's like a bold, like a pinkish color. I don't have another. It's like a maroon, but I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna make it do what it do, honey. We're going to put that. Ooh. Y'all see that? I'm gonna put it on like this, and I am going to have to blend this out, baby. I'm gonna bring it into that dark color. Bring it into but I put it on over so it's a little bit. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so now I am going to go back into Smolder. Yes, we're gonna go back into Smolder and blend that into that maroonish like color, so it won't look so harsh. Just swirl it in like so. Marinate the colors together. See? Ooh. I'm not a makeup artist, you guys. You guys know I tell you guys that. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm not a makeup artist, but I do my makeup the way that I like to do it. So we're gonna marry these colors, marinate. I don't know why we said marinate, y'all. I'm so beautiful. Marry these colors in together. So like I said, of course, it don't look so harsh. You guys see? So with that being said, I want to go and go into warning label again, just like a little bit, to make sure that I didn't like blend it out like a little bit too much, because I don't need none to be looking faded or anything. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm going to be going over that with a glitter like shade, and that shade is going to be, oh my god, we're going to go into full blast. Full blast is like right here. Oh my god, if they dug my nail in one of the colors. Perfect. So anyways, though, we gotta find another brush right quick. I'm at 25 minutes, oh my god. Anyways, you guys, I'll be right back. So you really can't tell. Like, it's like a shimmer shape, but it's not like a very highly shimmer. So anyways, whatever. Okay, so now I need to get this. I need to wipe. I need to get this. I need to get this powder off of my face. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Blend it out. Whew. Can't talk today, honey. Okay, now. So I'm something to drink in here, my throat, honey. So is those. So mascaras. First off, we're going to be putting on the Essence Lash Princess. Y'all already know. Oh, I should have bought my big mirror in here. Let me go ahead and finish my Let me fix my makeup, you guys. I'll be back with the final look because I don't want to go over 30 minutes. Okay, you guys. So this here is my final look. It's I don't know how to explain it, but this is the final look that I came up with using. I put my glasses back on, you girl. Can't see, honey. So y'all, okay. So like I said, I use the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. You guys don't have this, go out and get it. But yes, like I said, this is the final look that I did, and I freaking love it. And my lips look pink, but they're not pink at all. This is a Mega Last Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild, and it's in Missy and Fierce. I mean, doesn't look pink, like, see, look. No, you know, it's not pink at all. It's real. I guess it has like a pink undertone, but I freaking love this color right here. Like, it's so cute. But yeah, guys, that is everything. Oh yeah, I did my brows too, whatever. But yeah, guys, that is my tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this right here. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates. Like when I we'll put up new videos. I will have another makeup tutorial coming up tomorrow, and I'm going to be using this palette right here. I'm going to be using the 39L Hit the Lights palette. I can't wait. So yes. But anyways, though, you guys, that's everything that I had to talk about, whatever. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.